Day 10. Day 10? Day 10 of month of May. Today was kind of a dud day. The slot car track that I usually go and play slot cars on Wednesday. Well, today I went down there because he is closing up shop for the next little bit, just because of, his landlord jacking up the rent and not willing to negotiate a fair price or anything else like that. So he's kind of left in a bind. But we do have a couple of potential new spots to go. But in the meantime, that's my Wednesdays are no longer. Wow, this lighting is horrible here. So that's I went there and helped him pack up some stuff and load it up in his trailer so that he can take it home and do whatever he's got to do. But in the meantime, I now have Wednesdays free, so I can get back to work on my car again. Yeah. But as for what I did today, I literally have done nothing. I am going to get back to welding, practicing more. Hopefully tomorrow I will do that. But I need to start getting this turbo kit done so that I can get the turbo back installed. I can get the car started. I can get working on it so that I can attend the Drop the Hammer event in Michigan next May. That should be hopefully pretty interesting. I'm looking forward to it. Tickets go on sale Saturday, so yeah. Anyway, really short video, really just an update. I know I'm doing a daily video, but working every day, and then doing videos, editing videos, posting, yes, they're crap, but I mean, it's not as easy to do as I expected, but I am at least going to do one video every day. So till then, see you tomorrow.